Parker Punch Tool, boosting efficiency in metal decking installation. For those regularly installing metal decking, the Parker Punch Tool is a game changer. According to its creators, this button punch tool can achieve an average of 1,200 punches per hour and 9,600 per day. This means doubling or even tripling work speed compared to manual tools without straining yourself. With powerful jaws and a reasonable weight of 18 kilograms, including packaging, it works well with all types of decking, 18, 20, and 22 gauge, and is priced at $2,800.